On a cold, rainy night, a tiny puppy was all alone. He was wet, scared, and shivering. He kept walking, hoping someone would help him. But the streets were empty. Cars passed by quickly. People saw the puppy, but nobody stopped. The little puppy looked at them with hope, but slowly, he started losing hope. Then suddenly, something terrible happened. The puppy slipped into a drain. He tried to climb out, but the water kept rising. He tried again and again, but he was too weak. Every time he climbed, he slipped back down. And slowly, the puppy gave up. Then a young boy walked by in the rain, and suddenly he saw the trapped puppy. He ran as fast as he could. The boy knelt down to help him.
So the boy shouted for help. Finally, someone heard him and came running. Together, they pulled with all their strength. One final pull. Rescue success. They saved the puppy. The little puppy wagged his tail happily. The boy smiled with relief and gently hugged his new friend. The puppy was finally safe and warm. The boy gave him food and water. Soon, the puppy was happy again. And from that day on, they were best friends forever.